Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the language in Signal app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you will get it from the Play Store. Go ahead and download and install it. Go ahead and open the Signal app after that. Click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of the screen. After you click it, you can click on Appearance. You can see Appearance, go ahead and tap on it and you can see the language. Right now it is selected to System Default. So most of the time the System Default is English. So you can see that you can change the language from here. So as soon as you click on the languages, it will be changed automatically. So make sure that you find this option over here and click on the first one. You can find the English option and you can choose it to System Default anytime. So it's quite easy. Let me show this process. Click on your profile, go to Appearance and go to Language. Then you can select the language which you want. After you select it, the language will be changed and you can use Signal in the same language. If you want to change it to System Default, you can easily do that. All you need to do is scroll all the way up and find the System Default, which is right above English, and it will turn into English and all of the settings will be in language. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.